All
right. Yeah, so how'd you do on the other four? Did you do those ones pretty good?
Yeah, I got number 2 wrong, but I went back through and figured out what I did wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, I when I went through the answer, like on the key, it kept saying like it'd say 2 times 10 to the negative 5, or like 2 times 10 negative 5, and I was like, what the heck does that mean? But I think it means like, do you think it means 2 times 10 to the negative 5?
For number 2?
Yeah, like if you just look at the answer key, like she says, oh wait, no, number 3 is actually what I meant.
Oh, number 3, okay.
Number 3. Like how, like for B, it says 2 times 10 negative 5. I was like, what the heck, 10 minus 5? But I think she meant.
Yeah, times 10 to the negative 5.
Yeah. But yeah, and I went back through and I figured out what I did wrong with that one.
That's good.
Trying to think. Besides that, I mean, for I had gotten one wrong, but I figured out what I did wrong.
I think for part D on number 3, I got that wrong.
I did too, but it's just because I did my numbers wrong. But I mean, yeah, because I got C wrong, but you just do 10 million times what your answer from C was. So 10 million times 0.00004. What did you get for D when you did it?
Oh, I think I used the wrong numbers. Instead of 0.0004, I did 0.012, which gave me 125,000.
How did you get 0.12?
I was just using the heterozygous number, which was, hold on, because I got 0.0004 for my homozygous recessive number.
Oh, really?
Yeah, maybe I did that wrong. Let me see here. Here, let me show you what I have.
Yeah, because homozygous recessive should be 0.00002.
All right, can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I set it up the way it had it in the video with the allele frequency and the genotype frequencies.
Mm-hmm.
And
See, I did that. That's what I did wrong the first time. I did exactly what you did.
You set it up like this?
Mm-hmm. And I got 0.994, and then I got 0.006. I did exactly that same thing.
Okay.
But then I went back through and figured out that because how she did it was she just did this. If you find the square root of, if you just do 24,999 divided by 25,000, then that gives you your P frequency. And then you find the square root of that, and that gives you your P frequency.
Uh-huh.
And then to find Q, you just do that -1, and that gives you 0.02.
Right.
But I did the same thing because what I did for A is I did 1 divided by 25,000 and found Q first, like the square root of 1 divided by 25,000, and then I subtracted that from 1 to find P. And apparently that's not how, is that what you did? Because we got like the same answers.
I found Q squared first.
Yeah, me too, but yeah.
Yeah.
But apparently if you do it, that's weird, because you think it'd get you like the same answer, but when I did Q squared first, it comes out with a different answer.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's just really weird. Yeah, so I guess whatever it's asking for, just square that one first and then find this square root of that one.
Right.
Yeah. How did you do on the test? How did you do on the test?
On the test?
Yeah, the one that was like 2 weekends ago or a weekend.
Oh, right. So I did pretty good on the multiple choice one.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got like a 89 or 90, something like that.
Really? I did not do good on it.
I don't think I did very good on the write. I didn't leave myself enough time at all to do it.
Oh,
So,
really? That's kind of what happened to me is I like rushed home from work and I started it, but it was like getting down to the end, so I just had to submit it. But
yeah.
I think I rushed through the multiple choice because I want like I don't know. I think I was nervous. Like I rushed through the multiple choice to get onto the right on ones, and I did not do good on the multiple choice, which I thought that I did well, and then I submitted it, and I was like, "Oh crap!" It's
Yeah.
kind of embarrassing.
I don't know what I got on the written part because she
Yeah,
hasn't written for it, but I don't think I did.
yeah, yeah. I don't know what I got on that one either, but I'm kind of nervous to see.
Yeah.
Wonder
I
if they
submitted
drop a test
it
score in this class.
with like 5 minutes left. I submitted it and then realized I still have that quiz to take. So I took the quiz for
Oh,
like 3 minutes and got
oh, gee.
90% on it. I think I only missed one.
Oh, whoa, that's awesome.
Just flew through. Like the last two or three, I just guessed. I was like, I don't know. Here,
Yeah, that's good luck. Jeez.
I figured getting two right was better than getting a zero. So I just hurried and flew through it and I ended up doing really well.
Oh, that's awesome.
Maybe I should do that more often.
Yeah, maybe just guess. Um, yeah. Well, I think the only thing that we really don't understand then is just number 5 is just how we find the expected values when doing the chi-square equation.
Yeah.
I think that's the only thing.
Yep. Well,
Yeah.
no.
Was Kevin gonna text you when he got home, or was he gonna just?
Well, let's see here. He texted me on Wednesday asking if we're still planning on doing it Friday, and I said, yeah, we are. And then he says, cool, I'll see you then. And I reminded him today at like 6:30 or 7. He's like, yeah, I'm in the hospital right now visiting a friend, but I'll be home by then. I'll hurry. And that's the last I heard of it.
Oh, I feel bad. And he was even at the hospital visiting someone. That's like such a good thing to be doing. And then we just went without him.
And I feel bad because he hasn't been in any of our videos.
No, yeah. I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty free all night. If he ever texts you, I mean, I don't know, but I can always get back on really fast if he has any questions. I just feel bad. I just don't want him to get a bad grade.
Yeah. And I'm free too. I'm just going to be
Yeah.
here doing more work and still unpacking our apartment.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, you guys moved, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate packing and unpacking. That's like my least favorite thing.
We got most of it, but still got a little ways to go.
Shoot. We bought a little fixer-upper house, and so we've been like remodeling it, so like repainting and retiling, and that's been a process.
Well, I bet yeah, we do that too. I help manage apartments here that we live in, and we do that same thing where we come through, do all the tiles, and then my parents flipped their house. We did all that with them too.
Oh yeah. It's a good like you could make good money from flipping houses though. Like if you get good at remodeling houses,
Yeah.
there's good money in that. But okay, yeah, well I mean, if Kevin gets back to you, like I honestly you can text me and I don't mind getting back on really fast.
Okay.
If he wants, just yeah, ask him what he wants to do or I don't know. Let me know.
Sounds good. We'll do.
Okay, awesome. Well, maybe I'll see you later. If not, have a good weekend.
You too. Catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.